about how credit health is a big piece of your financial health and your financial future. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latasha Brown, here to help you experience a healthier and greater life and financial life. Today I want to talk about the basics of credit. And by the end of this video, you will understand how credit works, how it reports, what's a credit score, and all of that great stuff, y'all. So make sure that you stay to the end, and we're gonna just dive right in. It is so important to understand how credit works, especially if you want a healthier financial life, even if you want to, purchase a home, or just to, get another job, or even to, purchase something, make a big purchase that requires, your credit to be in good standing, or to help you establish good credit worthiness. So how does credit work? Now with credit is the ability to borrow money from creditors with the understanding that you'll pay it back later. Now to make the approving decisions, creditors look at your credit history. They want to know, how is your record of borrowing? They want to know how's your record of repaying. And I want to share two types of credit today. The first one is revolving credit. Many of us are familiar with revolving credits because examples of revolving credit is credit cards. So it's accounts that you're given a maximum limit, and you can charge up to that limit, and you just make those payments, and the credit is revolving. Now, the second one is installment credit. With installment credit, it is a loan for a specific amount of money. It's like a personal loan for a specific amount of money that you agree to repay. And with both of these type of credit, there may be interest and fees that in a set period of time for you to pay those amounts back. So it's so important to understand how credit works, especially in your own financial life, so that you can foster a good credit history, a good credit reporting, and a good credit score. What about credit reports? Now, with the credit reports, your credit is reported based on your history. And it's like files that are housed at the bureaus. And the three types of credit bureaus are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. And so what typically happens when you go in and you establish new credit, or you have existing credit, what happens is the creditors will report to the bureaus. They're going to report your borrowing, your repayment info to these creditors. And the information that the creditors report is your credit cards, how many credit cards that you have, the limits, the balances. They're going to report loans and how much you've paid back. And then they're going to report if any of your monthly payments are late or missed, or are they on time. And they will report any setbacks you may have, such as foreclosures, repos, or bankruptcies. And with your credit report, you'll also see things on your credit report such as your job history, your rental history, your current address, your name, any telephone numbers. You want to make sure that you pull your credit report often and make sure that things are reporting accurately. I'm going to pop a video up here that just give you some information regarding, your credit report, how you can fix your credit report, because it's so important that we make sure that we have some good credit history and that we foster good credit health. Once you build up your credit history and your creditors are reporting on your credit report, you are given a 3-digit number that is called a credit score. Now with your credit score, this score gives information from your credit report, and it takes the information from your credit report that helps calculate this credit score. Now the credit history is what determines your credit worthiness, and there is different models. You have the FICO and you have Advantage. Now, both of these models calculate your score differently. So it's important that when you are borrowing money, that you sit down with, the creditors, the lenders, and ask them what scoring model do they use. Do they use FICO? Do they use Vantage? So you want to make sure that you are monitoring your score and that you are taking the steps to make sure that you are in good standing with your creditors, that you have a good history, and that you have a good credit score. Why does this all matter? Why does credit matter? Why is it important? Why is credit reporting, credit history, credit scores, why does it all matter? If you want to make a big purchase a home, purchase a car, it's so important to foster good credit health, a good credit history, and a good credit score, because it will save you tremendously. And not even on that, lenders are not the only ones who care. You have your landlords who's checking, utility companies, insurance companies, employers, and they are checking just to see your credit history and whether you can establish new credit with them or even get a new job to help you earn more. So it will help you with your ability to get new credit, to get a better rate, and to earn more money. So I have a question for you. How important is credit on your journey in your financial future and with your financial health? Drop it below. I'm eager and curious to hear. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment section, because you never know who may have that same question. And I want to invite you to my support group. So if you're a mom or woman who just need that added support and accountability and just that motivation on your journey, everyone needs a tribe to just rally with them, push them forward, encourage them, support them, and give them that added motivation along the way. I'm going to drop a link in the description section, and we would love to have you a part of the support group. We talk about various subjects. We also do challenges, and we have a book reading that we do each and every month for those who want to join. So we would love to have you a part of the support group. And y'all, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for rocking it out with me. I graciously appreciate you. Like this video. Your likes matter to me. I graciously appreciate you liking this video. It just shows me that I'm showing up, being helpful, adding value, and just giving you hope along the way. Subscribe to this channel. I would greatly appreciate if you became a part of the community. If you like topics such as, financial topics, managing money, budgeting, saving, earning more money, I am your girl. And plus, you will get some good vibes along the way. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And y'all, in the meantime, in between time, have the most abundant day. Bye, y'all.